Hello students, in the previous session we have seen tokens concept in Python. Now here I am going to explain one simple program in Python, that is addition of two numbers. See, for that we have to declare two variables, but you know in Python we will not write their data type while declaring variables. So we will just declare two variables like a equal to and b equal to. Now we have to assign some value. You can directly assign value like 5 and for b 2. Now I just want to do addition of these two numbers, then we can write like this: c equal to a plus b. Now a plus b, whatever value of a and b, that will get added and that will get stored inside C, and we can just display with the help of print statement in Python like this: print. Now addition equal to, I want to display like addition equal to 7. Then addition equal to is a string literal, so that we have to enclose in either single quote, double quote or triple quote. You know, for multi-line string we are using triple quotes, or here we can use either single or double quote, no problem. So addition equal to comma C, because inside C variable there is a addition of a and b, that value of that C variable will get displayed here. Getting, this is just a program for doing addition in Python. But now see, normally we have to accept input from user while doing addition, but in this program we are just doing addition of 5 and 2. We are not accepting input from user here. And for accepting input in Python we have to use input function. Okay, now how to use that input function? The syntax is like this. See, input function, you have to write input and then you will give their message like enter the first number. That prompt you have to pass as an argument like this: enter first number. This type of message should get displayed onto the output screen while accepting a number from user. So I have written like input, and in parenthesis I have put the message like enter first number. Now what will happen here? This message will get displayed onto the output screen. Now user will enter some value that should be stored inside some variable. Okay, let I am storing like this: in a equals to input enter first number. But always keep in mind, whenever you enter data using input function in a Python program, then that will be considered as in the form of string always. Means whatever accepted from user, that will be always in string format if you are using input function. Means what? Suppose you try to check what is the data type of A, then type function you can use there like this. Suppose I have written like print type of A. Then what you will get here? You will get class str this output. Why? Because by default input function accepts whatever value that will be in the form of string. Now whenever you want to do addition of two numbers, then if the input is in the form of string, then that number will be considered as a string, and then you will get output like concatenated number. Means what? See, suppose you have written like this: a equal to input enter first number, and suppose you are writing the same thing here again, let input enter second number. So okay, now we have seen that input function we can use to accept input from user, and whatever prompt is given in double quotes, that will be displayed directly onto the output screen. But here while doing addition we have written like c equal to a plus b. Suppose in onto the output screen you have got a message like enter first number. Now what will happen here? You will enter a number like let 5, and second enter second number. This message will get displayed. Then suppose you are entering 7 there. Then inside C what you will get? You will get concatenation of 5 and 7, not addition of 5 and 7. Why? Because just now we have seen that whatever accepted by input function, that will be always in the form of string. So 5 will be in the form of string, 7 will be in the form of string. Whenever you are applying plus on strings, then it will do the concatenation, not addition. Always keep in mind. So what will happen here? You will get output like addition equal to 5 plus 7, that is 12, but here you will not get 12, you will get 5 7 concatenated 57. Okay, now where is the mistake here? See here, this input function, it will accept input in the form of string, that should be converted to int first. Okay, now how to convert it int? See, for conversion from string to integer, there is a data type conversion function in Python, that is int function, and that we will apply here over this string. Then you will get whatever converted integer value, and that will get stored inside a, like this. So what you will do here, you will write like a equal to int input in this way. Then you will get, of course, proper result here. Why? Because b equal to again int input. Now here inside C you will get perfect addition of A and B, because now if you will check data type of A using type function like print type of A, then you will get output like int, getting class int, like this, because whatever inbuilt data types like int, float, char, all are the classes in Python. And whatever you are creating the variables, like here we have created two variables of type integer A and B, those are nothing but objects of int class, getting. Now here you will get output properly, that is 12, after doing conversion of that string to integer, getting. In this way you can write addition program in Python. The first thing we have written here comment, after that we have accepted input, means first number from user with the help of input function, that is in the form of string. So we have converted that to int, and then that will get stored inside A. Now type of A will be class int. Now after that we have just displayed message onto the output screen like enter second number, that is the input function. Okay, that's why this is the prompt for that input function. Then that we have converted to integer, and that will get stored inside B. After that we are doing just addition, and the result will get stored inside C, and addition will get displayed onto the output screen like addition equal to 12. Always keep in mind how the variable space will be reserved inside memory. If you are writing like A equals to this type of statement, then inside a memory, if suppose you have entered 5 value, then for 5 the space will get allocated, that 5 object, and now A will refer to the 5, A will be reference to that 5 object. Always keep in mind, if already there is any object present of type integer having value 5, then no new object will be created in Python. Always remember. Now the next value you have passed like 7, then 7 object will be created if not present already, and B will point to 7. After that addition will be done, 12 value there is a object, for that C will refer, getting. In this way the memory allocation will be there in case of Python. For storing 4 bytes will be reserved, but that will be in the form of object, and A, B, C, these are just a references, getting. In the next session we will discuss one more important point in Python. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.